What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man back at another video. Today I'll be doing a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines I released today. I actually picked them up from Foot Action. My first time ever picking the shoe up from Foot Action that I can remember. I maybe picked some up a long time ago, but nothing in the recent years. I'm actually in Kansas City right now, so I went ahead. When I did my reservation, I put in a zip code around here. Put it in for the mall right down the street from my mom's crib, and I went to go grab them, and so now we finally have them. And something I want to tell you guys before we get too deep into it is, I had on 3 pair of Yeezys, man. Y'all can see the resale rising back up slowly. It dropped real low last night, and then all of a sudden they're all going for like $330, $350 in my size 9. And if y'all can just do the math, I would have made at least close to $200 if I would have flipped all 3 of those pairs. So I wish I would change the zip code to Kansas, but I didn't. So that's an L for me. I'm gonna go back and look at this video a couple weeks down the line, a couple months down the line to see how much the resale value is gaining on those shoes. I know as soon as 3 o'clock hit in San Antonio, everybody's gonna have those shoes because now they see the resale value actually climbing up on those guys. Hey, before we go any further with this video right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel, man. We just hit 20K, man. Appreciate every single body that subscribed to the channel, that supported the channel. You know, we started the channel with, of course, 0 subscribers, man, and 20K later, it means so much, man. I feel like I put in so much work, put in a lot of content, put a lot of hard hours into the channel, man. You can see the hard work paying off. We had 20K, man, and we steadily growing, man. So I appreciate all of the support, man, from the bottom of my heart, man. It meant so much to me. Driving down the road, I checked my channel when it said 20K, and I was like, I was just mind blown now. And it made the drive to Kansas a lot smoother than what it should have been. So I appreciate all of the support. But yeah, with all that being said, make sure you follow me over IG, take advantage of the Air Jordan 11 bread giveaway, and we're gonna jump right into this review and on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines, man. Let's get it. All right, here we have it, man. Of course, it came in your regular Nike box, black and red. Puff the top off real quick, white tissue paper, of course. And here we have it, Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines, man. Check these guys out. Very dope shoe, and it came with extra black laces, which has some writing on it, and it came with some all white laces. And me, I personally think that the white laces will hit good with them, but I'm gonna keep the red laces in here, and I'm gonna throw the white laces in the other shoe, man. But here you have it, Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines. Let's check out the official colorway and size tag. All right, so the official colorway reads black, gem red, and white, and the retail, of course, was $160. Your boy used that military discount, and I got it for like $143. Like I said, I didn't even know Foot Action did military discount. That's why I was always kind of, I guess, hesitant on copping from them, but they do military discount, but they don't let you do like the coupons and the military discount. I asked them like for future reference if I did keep shopping with Foot Action. But yeah, that's it for the box. And let's get right back to these Bloodlines, man. The first thing I wanted to point out was the quality. Like, I touched the toe box, like I was gonna look at the shoe when I was in the car, but I was like, I touched the toe box, you know, it's super soft. I was like, hold on, let me put these guys back in the box and wait till I get in front of the camera so I can kind of describe how they feel, man. Like, the quality is super nice, and it was actually a pair sitting on the wall that I seen, and the quality was looking even better than this. You know, sometimes with the ones, different sizes, even the same sizes, they have a different type of quality on the toe box and the side panels. But I must say on this one right here, even when you see it in the B-roll, you can tell that the quality is super nice. The leather is super plush. And if I can describe it anything, it would have to be the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 2.0s, man, how soft the shoe is. But like I said, this shoe did come with the red laces already in there, man. Check it out. And of course, you got the extra white laces, and you have the lettering. I forget what it says on the shoelaces, but it comes with black laces with the lettering on those. But like I said, I'm gonna keep mine white. And just check out the toe box right here. As you can see, I'm gonna turn the brightness down actually for you guys. Turn the brightness down real quick, man. You can see, man, that nice leather quality on the toe box right here. All white tongue, and you have Nike Air right there on the top of the tongue. And of course, on the back, you got all the writing and stuff right there. Check it out. Inside, you get a regular cardboard shoe tree as always. And then, of course, you got your red laces tucked in there. You have a black insole, and it says, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" And that's probably what was on the laces, I'm pretty sure. Let me turn the brightness up real quick for you guys. Right there, check it out. "Who said man was not meant to fly?" I don't really like the laces like that with the lettering and stuff, so you know me, that's why I gotta keep it plain, either all red or all white. But right now I'm feeling like the white one is gonna be the best one to go with these shoes. I always try to match the laces with the side panels and the toe box. That just always will look best to me. Checking out the outer of the Air Jordan 1, man. This nice super plush Nike swoosh right here, man. Very soft. You can even tell by just looking at it, man, the quality is nice. It's definitely gonna go down as one of the Air Jordan 1s with the best quality of 2019 because I don't know, this shoe just looks like, this is like a quick strike material, man. Like something that's limited, but as y'all know, these shoes were flooded. They were everywhere. Everybody was able to get a pair of these guys, but just check out the quality. I'm telling y'all, the quality is nice on these guys. But here you have it, the Wings logo up here. It actually looks like it's popping out of the shoe, but it's not. It's still pressed into the shoe. It's got like this nice shimmery, shiny look over the Air Jordan 1 Wings logo. Checking out the back right here, you can see, man, same as always, nothing special back there. They didn't give us no letters, no X's, no 1s, 2s, 3s, none like that. Just kept it plain and simple for you guys back there. And checking out the inner of the shoe as well. The quality matches the outside swoosh as well, man. Very dope, very nice quality. And let me turn the brightness down real quick so you can check out that inner panel leather quality, man. Very dope, very soft. Of course, you got your factory flaws here and there, but all I can say is this shoe is dope. I hope you guys did not sleep on this Air Jordan 1. All right, guys, is it just me or does this shoe look super similar to the Air Jordan 1 Defiant that had like the yellow swoosh that was like the stitching popped out, but it had a white inner? The shoe looks pretty much like that one, but they just changed the swoosh and a couple of things. A lot of Jordans been looking very similar, I guess you could say, with the color blocking and stuff. But to me, this one hands down looked better than the Defiant ones. I was glad I was able to pick these guys up. And let me know right now in the comment section below if you picked up a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines. Sometimes this is my favorite part of the shoe, especially if it has like some different lettering, some different translucent outsoles or something like that. But this one came with the regular red outsole right there. Check it out. Can't go wrong with the all red, man. And of course, you have an all white midsole wrapping around the whole shoe, man. All right, guys, that is it for the review over the Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope if you guys were looking to see if you wanted to cop, this video kind of helps you, persuade you if you want them, or if you definitely did not want to go grab them at all, man. So let me know right now in the comment section below if this was a cop or a drop. I appreciate all love and support. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys like the video right now. To go for every video is 200 likes. And right now, while you at it, share the video with a friend so they can join the vintage gang. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World, man. The link will always be in the description box below. And make sure you take advantage of the Air Jordan 11 bread giveaway that me, SkipGoesHard, Ron Got Sold, DaRetroWizKid, and KaptainKirk has going on right now. The deadline is December 6th, man. So go check out the Air Jordan 11 bread giveaway video so you can enter yourself to win a free pair of those bread 11s. Well, all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. I hope you guys enjoy this on feet over the Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines, man. Let's get it.